Are you ready to ditch those repetitive tasks and finally unlock peak efficiency for your business? Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head showdown, N8N vs Gumloop, to find the ultimate automation champion for your business. I am going to make it easy for you to see the pros and cons of each and see which works best for your business. First up, N8N. This powerful platform is known for its open-source flexibility, giving you complete control over your data and workflows. It boasts a vast library of integrations, connecting to almost any app or service you can imagine. The node-based system allows for intricate customization, making it perfect for complex automation scenarios. However, this level of customization can come with a steeper learning curve, especially for those new to automation. Now, let's turn to Gumloop. Gumloop prioritizes user-friendliness with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. This ease of use makes it incredibly accessible, even if you have zero coding experience. Gumloop offers a range of pre-built templates and automation recipes, allowing you to quickly set up common workflows and see instant results. Think of it as automation in a box. But this simplicity comes with certain limitations regarding advanced customization. In short, if you crave ultimate control and extensive integrations, N8N is your go-to, but if you prioritize ease of use and quick setup, Gumloop will be your new best friend. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your specific needs and technical expertise. Take some time to explore both platforms and consider which aligns best with your goals, and remember to like and subscribe for more useful content.